How to update Facebook account to newest version. The first things first is actually you do not need to do anything from your account itself. Now all the stuff and all the work for you to be able to use and run the latest version or the newest version is to update the application itself. Now just go back here and then head directly to your Google Play Store. And then from here, just simply search for and look for Facebook app. Now, in here, you should be able to know that your Facebook account or your Facebook application needs an updating because there is gonna be update button that's gonna be visible. Now, just simply tap on that and it will do all the work and stuff by itself. Now, if you're encountering problems such as crashing or still on the older version of Facebook, then all you have to do is just to clear data and cache from the application itself. Now tap and hold on Facebook and then go with the eye icon and just comply both of these two options in here like clear cache and clear data. And that's how you update your Facebook account to the newest version.